children are throwing snowballs instead of throwing poop. Children are giving kisses instead of giving pee. Children are coming their Christmas tree with lights instead of poop. The ground is snow instead of poop. The snow instead of pee because it's raining. One day I woke up to the sky and I say, "Hey man, can I have some poop?" He says, "Sure, I'll go poop right now." And then he gives me some poop and I eat it. Then I said, "Hey man, can I get some pee?" And he said, "Sure." And I drink some pee. And then I said, "Can I have pee and poop?" He said, "Sure." I'll go do that. And then I made diarrhea, and I said, "What is this?" And he said, "It's diarrhea." "I love it," I said. And then he said, I asked him if I can have 3 more. I got 3 more. I went home, gave it to my children. My wife said, "What is this?" And I told her it's diarrhea. One day, I went to the store, and then I bought poop, but it was a pumpkin. I thought it was poop. And I said, "Hey man, what is this?" And he said, "It's a pumpkin. What are you expecting? A stem?" And I said, "I'm expecting poop." And then one day, I took a picture of somebody pooping, and then I showed him my butt, and then I took a picture of my poop, saved it in a banana, and scarfed it in the banana. And then one day, I peed all over the ground. It said, "Hey man, that's not a toilet." And I said, "Oh yeah." And then I accidentally peed on him. And then one day, I went and put diarrhea in the box, and poop and pee, and then I sent it to somebody. And then when they came home, they threw it on my face, and I licked it all. It was yummy.
There's something wrong with my children. Oh God.
I like poop, and I do a gear who knows.